This video shows you the system options in Antigen Plus. Clicking on the Options tab, the first selection is System Options. System options are divided into three parts: General, Search, and Printing. The first box in the General tab allows you to set the display order for the antigen array you would like to work with for any session. Most people will choose the array of their primary red cell supplier. If it was ortho, it would look like this on the main search screen. Or if you chose Immucor, the F would not appear, and it would look like the Immucor panel. The next choice is for the cell order in which you would like to display your selected panel. Most folks will choose the default order, which is in the order in which the cells were selected. This ensures that the last cell selected will appear at the bottom of the panel ready for the test result to be entered. Most folks will use the agglutination grading scale that goes from microscopic to 4+. If you wish to maintain only your freshest donors in stock, Prompt, when downloaded panels contain duplicate cells, will allow you to take out of stock or delete the duplicates before the fresh donor is uploaded. Display total negative reactions to heterozygous donors will create an extra line in the rule-outs count to assist your interpretations when homozygous donors are lacking in your inventory. Here's what the counts look like without this feature. And here is the feature in use on the same worksheet. Require specimen ID for all panels. Normally, a specimen ID, or accession number, is required only if it is entered on a worksheet in an individual session. If you wish to ensure that it is used for all workups, this feature is for you. The search options allow you to include out-of-stock cells in your search. This is useful for administrative, QC, and historical purposes, but the default is to exclude them for your daily work. If you have a primary supplier and wish to use up those cells first, you may display cells from that supplier before any others. Once that supplier's cells matching your criteria are used up, the others will appear in date order. Search automatically when search criteria change makes for a dynamic search and is appropriate for the hospital setting where dozens rather than hundreds of cells are in the inventory. In a reference lab or regional blood bank setting, unchecking this feature will put a search button on the screen so that you will not display your search results until you are finished entering your criteria. We can see the difference here. Automatically changing, or waiting for the search command. The last set of system options are related to printing your work to a printer or a PDF. The most important printing option is to set up the text that will identify your lab on all the printouts. This step is necessary before you can download any commercial panels. The Print in Color command works in Windows 8 and later. The next four choices are specialized choices that are used by reference laboratories and are not discussed here. The final choice allows you to omit printing the additional antigens, except for those imported with a commercial panel, so that your worksheet or a selected sheet will not be cluttered if one or more of your selected cells has a multitude of rare typings. This choice expires when you log out. Thanks for watching, and as always, questions and comments are welcome at customerservice@antigenplus.com.